kindergarten, let's do our first activity sheet. You should be following along and doing this on your own activity sheet. Follow along as I speak in the video and do what I do. When you're all done, when you get to the teacher table, you'll show me your work. Let's follow the directions. Color some blocks orange. Let's see here, I need to change my pencil. Color some blocks orange and the rest yellow to make 10. Let's see, I choose 4. You get to choose how many you're going to color orange. I choose 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And make the rest yellow. That leaves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to make 10. Let's see if we have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we have all of the yellow blocks fell off the table. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many blocks are left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. You should have this done on your own activity sheet. I'm going to pause for a minute while you work. Okay, kindergarten, let's do our second part, our number bond. We said that we colored some blocks orange and the rest yellow to make 10. I chose 4 blocks to be orange. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I chose 6 to be yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And all of the yellow blocks fell off, which left us with the original 4 orange blocks. So our whole number in our number bond is 10. Our number that we took away is 6. We took it away, which left us with 4. You should be doing this on your own activity sheet. When you get to the teacher table, you'll show me your work. Okay, kindergarten, let's do our third and last part, our number sentence. So we said that we had 10 blocks. I chose to have 4 orange, and I chose to have 6 yellow. All of the yellow fell off, which left us with 4. So our number sentence is our whole number, which is 10. Let's write that in black. Our whole number is 10. We took away 6, which left us with 4. You should have this on your own activity sheet. When you get to the teacher table, we will look at your work.